Benefice Cats here at D Street in Disneyland Resort, California. I bought a Park 8 Funimation, and I'm going to be unboxing that for you right now. Okay, so let's get started. I'm excited. I really don't care which one I get because I like all of them. Oh my goodness. Gosh. Sorry about that. Okay. So, no, it's not the guy with the thing on his head. Oh, cool. I got this one. It is 25th anniversary celebration, 1996. It's a cool one. So, yep, that's it. And so remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and like this video. See you guys.